Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12. To do this, open Google Play Store. Now look for Microsoft Edge in the top search options, and here it is. Install the browser. When it's ready, click on the open. Right here we have introduction. You can read through it if you like. I'm gonna skip it. Then we can customize to make homepage your own. So show or hide wallpaper, show or hide most visited sites and news feeds. Let's click on next, and here we can sign in to turn on synchronization. Let's skip it. And lastly, set Microsoft Edge as default, or actually not lastly. Almost last option is to set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, and last is data sharing, so we can enable or disable it. Now let's open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.